So hey guys, there are a lot of sideloading methods like using eSign, SideStore, Sideloadly, using a computer and more. But they come with their own limitations, like you cannot install more than 2 or 3 apps, or you will have to install app again and again after a week, or they get revoked unexpectedly anytime. But what if I say you will not face such issues again after using this method which I am going to tell you about in this video, because it has no limitations, like you can install unlimited apps outside the App Store and there is no revoke problem. You don't need PC, no wire, no jailbreak, nothing is required. You will just need is your iPhone or iPad, and I have been using this for more than 2 years. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So firstly, go to this website. I have given its direct link in the description and in the pinned comment as well. After you are on this website, click on get in the top right corner and then click on share button on your Safari and add it to your home screen. After that, the Flex Store icon will appear on your home screen. Open that and allow all notifications. Now here you will see a lot of apps that you can directly install from Flex Store itself, or you can add your own repository here and you can install any app using eSigner option as well. You will just need the IPA file of the app that you want to install. But before you install any app, you will need to set up it first. For that, go to devices option and then click on add device and then click on allow. After that, click on close and go to your settings app. After that, there you will get the profile downloaded option at the top. Click on that and then click on install. Now enter the passcode of your device and click on install again. Once you get success page like this, open the Flex Store again. There you will see your device UDID, developer certificate and premium accesses option in the devices section. But you will see red cross here instead of green tick I am getting in the front of certificate and premium. To get a green tick in front of these two options here, which is required to install apps, for that you will get many options below like developer certificate plus premium accesses, Apple developer account and own certificate option. Go with any of these options. Here I will suggest you go with the first option, which will cost you around 15 to 20 USD for entire year, and it's more reliable and worth it. But if you decide to go with the third option, make sure the certificate you are using is not revoked. So once you get green tick in front of these two options, your Flex Store will be ready to install apps. Just go to the any section like app, sources or signer option, select the app that you want to install and then click on sign. Then click on install. After that, the app will get installed on your device successfully and you will be able to use it without any issues. No revoke problem, no limits. I have great experience with Flex Store for more than 2 years. So make sure to check out the Flex Store from the given link in the description or pinned comment, and you will have the best sideloading experience. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and it solves your all problem. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful tech contents like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.